My name is Joshua Gibson, and welcome to the show. We're here in Silver Lake, Los Angeles, a little town in Los Angeles, California. And I'm at the Moreno Highlands project that we're working on, as you can see. And behind me, this is part of the view from the yard. It's about 11,000 square foot lot, and we are building a beautiful extension off of the back of the property. We're building out the basement. Brand new kitchen, new bathrooms, the whole shebang. So we've got a fun story where I've spent the last 2 or 3 days developing this plan set to be used to obtain permits for a sub pump in the basement of our property here. It is a bit hillside, and the basement is subterranean. It was existing when we bought the home, and we decided to incorporate it into the square footage of the house. We're building a laundry room down there. We're building a bathroom, a bedroom, and a living room, and it has a door that comes right out to the backyard. Well, the sub pump was existing, and we've got permits for some other parts of the house, and the inspector had stated that we needed to obtain permits for the sub pump even though it was existing. Fine. I just went through a permitting process for the 500 square foot extension that was added. It took us about 4 months. So I decided, since I've got some experience with LADBS and the permitting process here in the city, I would give it a go myself. We started looking around for a mechanical engineer to develop the plans for us, and we were hitting a bit of a dead end. My architect recommended someone. He quoted us $2,200. So I decided to search a bit to see if I could find someone that would help me out, and maybe be a little competitive on the price. That guy said he wouldn't do it for less. We couldn't find anyone to respond or return our calls to help us develop this plan set for the mechanical plans for the sub pump. So I decided to do it myself. I used Claude, Anthropic, to talk to about what's happening, what's existing. I uploaded a bunch of photos. I uploaded a lot of detailed plans that we had for the property, and I talked through what was happening currently. And I went to the city. I got a bunch of information on what would be required in my plan set, and advised that I was doing it myself, advised that I was owner-builder, developing this plan set on my own, and took all of that, put it into Claude, and then spent several hours and days working through the plan set, checking the work, because the AI is great, but it just kind of rushes through things and guesses a lot. So you need to check the work. And then brought the set down to the city, got a round of corrections, and after the first round of corrections, went back home, put it all back into Claude, and ran it again, and again checked all of the work against what the corrections were that I received from the city and against the requirements that the city had provided me. They gave me a bunch of instructions on things that would be necessary for the plans to include, calculations, a whole bunch of very detailed, obviously mechanical engineering brain type of stuff. And I went back down to the city today, and I got my set approved. Yes, saved myself $2,200, and now I've got a new title, de facto mechanical engineering here in Moreno Highlands Silver Lake project. If you need some mechanical plans, I'm your guy. Let me know. Hit me up. I got you covered, and I'll do it faster and cheaper. But in all seriousness, I'm so excited that that I'm using these tools to help me build this house. I will list this property for sale. I'm a licensed realtor, also licensed realtor here in Los Angeles, California, and I will list it probably sometime in June. I'm going to start marketing it now. We've got some renders that we're working on, which are beautiful. So I'm going to start pushing them, and who knows, maybe we'll sell it before it even hits the market. Stay tuned, because I got many more videos and a lot more to show you of the making of this house. And I'm excited to let you guys experience us building this home with us and watch the process unfold in real time.